Welcome, Advanced Financial Accounting. I'm Sandhya from First BCom CS batch 2020 to 23 KCS Kasi Nadar College of Arts and Science. Unit 5 Topic Accounting Standard for Financial Reporting Agenda Introduction Nature Objectives Indian Accounting Standards International Accounting Standards Benefits of IFRS. Introduction Accounting standards are the written statements consisting of rules and guidelines issued by the accounting institutions for the preparation of uniform and consistent financial statements and also for other disclosures affecting the different uses of accounting information. Nature of accounting standards. On the basis of foregoing discussion, we can say that accounting standards are guide, dictator, service provider, and harmonizer in the field of accounting process. Number 1. Serve as a guide to the accountants. Number 2. Act as a director. Number 3. Serve as a service provider. Number 4. Act as a harmonizer. Objectives of accounting standard. Number 1. To put an end to the non comparability of financial statement. Number 2. To increase the reliability of the financial statement. Number 3. To provide standards which are transparent for users. Number 4. To define the standards which are comparable overall periods presented. Number 5. To provide a suitable starting point for accounting. Number 6. It contains high quality information to generate the financial reports. This can be done at a cost that does not exist the benefits. Number 7. For the eradication the huge amount of variation in the treatment of accounting standard. Number 8. To facilitate easy of both intra-firm and intra-firm comparison. Indian Accounting Standards. Indian Accounting Standard, abbreviated as INDAS, is the accounting standard adopted by companies in India and issued under the supervision of Accounting Standards Board ASB, which was considered as a body in the year 1977. ASB is a committee under Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Some of the list of Indian accounting standards and they are INDAS 16 Property Plant and Equipment, INDAS 17 Leases, INDAS 19 Employees Benefits, INDAS 20 Accounting for Government Grants and Disclosure of Government Assistance, INDAS 21 The Efforts of Changes in Foreign Exchange Rates, INDAS 23 Borrowing Cost, INDAS 24 Related Party Disclosures, INDAS 27 Separate Financial Statements, INDAS 28 Investments in Associates and Joint Ventures, INDAS 29 Financial Reporting in Hyperinflationary Economies. International Accounting Standards. The International Accounting Standards IAS are a specific set of norms for the presentation of financial accounts developed by the International Accounting Standards Board IASB since 2001. Those standards have been released under the name International Financial Reporting Standards. Benefits of IFRS. Number 1. Helpful to enterprises operating globally. Number 2. Helpful to investors. Number 3. Helpful to industries. Number 4. Helpful to accounting professionals. Thank you.